That was me that you missed. I'm the one you've been missing and wishing for. Listen. All commands will be coming from the goddamn top. Hit me. I'm the maestro. I'm the nigga with the stick in this bitch. Oh yeah. The ranger, director, conductor, any other fucking name you could think of. Hit me. I got drums and shit. Toms and shit. Congos and bongos and guitars and keyboards and cymbals and horns up in this bitch. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Why? Kind of shit you ain't heard on the box and the wow. Even the white people sitting up in this motherfucking memo do nothing but say wow. You hear that, Helen? He's tearing it up, that fella. I love to get my hands on those acapella. That nigga sicker and slicker than Earl on a Pelican. We on the one. Me and the band jelly like Abbott and Costello. We go together like Stanky and Smelly. Tommy and Belly. Peanut butter jelly. Hit it. That's some food there. Your mama said that's my groove there. Fuck the dumb shit killer with the drum kick. Give it to the nigga with the drum stick. Hit it. I'm living on a record like an acrobat. You can't stop it cause it's something that I'm natural at. Even in the wake of my aftermath, cause you bitches out losing my alphabets. What? And B, CD bitches, LMNO bitches, OSTR. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! You can tell I'm getting money by how they lining up. But when I lead them, I'll be whining like a miner. Cause whether it be diamonds, Madonna, designers, iguanas, Rihanna's, vaginas, piranhas. Hit it! I'm getting too old to be calling names, saying bitches and hoes, cause it's all the same. On top of that, the rappers always getting all the blame. Or is it really cause these niggas are just off the chain? Hit it! I check a pound, pound. Tweet it up, I got something for that round brown. Black man, put your motherfucking crown on. Put your fucking pants up. Bam, break it down now. That boy, wow! Like it comes, wow! The kind of shit you ain't heard on the box and the wow! Even the white people sitting up in this motherfucking game do nothing but say wow! Look at her, Judy. That goddamn band's pretty groovy. I bet you 2 bumps off my ass if we played it for most. She'll shake her booty. Hit it! Can't pass the beat, can't pass the beat. Have a nigga stop. That ass, my ass, come again. Beat up with it. Hit it. Never ever been beat on the beat. Get more speedy than a cheetah with the rhythm I keep. Bass drum stomping like elephant feet. Carrying empty rappers like Muhammad Ali. I'm the greatest, I'm pretty. I put a line in the jungle. I send a brick to the goddamn house. Cause rumble, young man, rumble. Shit is totally ludicrous. It's preposterous. You guys are fucking losers. They used to piss me off. I'm gonna knock you bums out. I'ma run through you. Pass the beat. The fucking out bang. Yeah, bang, yeah. I'm ready to do my thing. Baby, 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 hit me. Say it proud. I'm black and I'm loud. Say it proud. I'm black and I'm loud. Loud. Say it proud. I'm black and I'm loud. Say it proud.
I'm black and I'm loud.
Gotta give homage. Soul brother number 1, James Brown. Ain't nobody do it better. Hit it. Bad man. Michael J. We know you got it, baby. Rest in peace.